Welcome back to 3 Minute Hikes. Today we'll be visiting Barclay Lake in the Cascade Mountains. This easy, gently rolling hike, located off Highway 2 near Index, Washington, totals just 4.4 miles round trip, gains a mere 500 feet, and tops out at 2,423 feet. From the parking lot, we enter a dark forest of cedar, fir, and hemlock. Elevated sections of trail keep our feet dry, but this trail is usually muddy in the fall and winter. Even on a sunny December day, Mount Bering, which looms directly south, keeps the trail in its shadow. We reached the partially frozen lake at about the 1.7 mile mark and stopped for photos. The trail continues another half mile along the north end of the lake and features a few more small beaches with nice views. That's all for now. See you next time.
This is the habitat of the wild frost pocket. Microwave dinner turned your worst nightmare. A horrifying beast endemic to frost pockets. Fear it. Don't get ate.